Videotaping life in the daily grind of Skylar Bear.
Oh, Skylar Bear. Working really hard.
Yep. Hey, Skylar Bear. Skylar Bear. Over here. Puppy. Hi. Life in the daily grind of Skylar Bear. I can't even see you.
She's tired.
Yep. Skylar Bear and Mommy. Just barely peeking out. But still got a little bit of a smile. Is that a smile? Let me see it. Let me see it. Smile.
I haven't seen one yet. No, yeah. She's like, oh, give me that. Oh, you're so cute, Sky. Her little finger.
What you got in your face, baby? Oh,
Probably cantaloupe.
Yeah.
Or she's been leaning up against.
There you go. Alright, Mommy, go about your business. It's like a little monkey. Mama monkey and baby monkey.